Hello and welcome to this lesson. So once again we are looking at the New York session. So essentially you're just doing the same thing that we already have outlined in London. What you want to do is make sure that you're observing between the time from 7 a.m. which is the New York session to 12 noon. That is the period you want to be watching for New York session. So that is our New York session between 7 a.m. and 12 noon. That is the time you want to watch. So any observations that you make, anything that you see, record it, annotate and record it in your journal. So that is essentially how you go about annotating and recording the New York session and these time zones that we are specifying. So you will start to see actually certain things repeating in your charts every single day. So this is a daily, you're looking at a daily range, remember, that you're observing between midnight to midnight, and essentially you want to annotate before. So New York, you annotate before this price action occurs during New York, and then you record it in your journal. Then after the price action occurs at the end of the day, come and record it again and record the observations. What do you see? What has the market done? So you're not trying to predict where the market is going, you're just observing and recording. That's all you have to be doing at this time. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.